Hello, David here, and the project for today is reviewing this HDMI cable. This is a 45-foot cable, and the reason why I bought it is because I usually watch the Super Bowl in this room here, where I film is my den, and it only seats about, I don't know, 7 or 8 people comfortably. Last Super Bowl I had about 15 people here, and it was crammed. So I decided to make an overflow room, and I'm going to move one of my televisions into the living room, and I'm just going to keep this cable connected to that television the whole time. So anytime I want to move the television, I'll just move it with that cable connected. So this is an order from Amazon. There's no markings on the bag, but the company is called Jorenca. It's Jorenca. It's a 4K HDMI cable. Ultra high speed HDMI 2.0. Supposed to have a gold plated connector. 18 Gbps. Is that 18 gigabytes per second? I don't know. Comes in a Ziploc bag to keep it fresh. Cable seems to be heavy duty. The price with tax came to $22.03. And it comes with 2 Velcro fasteners to keep the coils neat. I tested the new cable. It works great. My plan is to just move the TV to the living room, and then I'm going to tape the cable across the ceiling with some blue painter's tape so it doesn't damage the paint or anything. And it should work fine. I got this old cable. I'm just going to save it in the bag that the new cable came in, just in case I need it. Put it with the box of my electronic gear. I'm not a big football aficionado. I don't really watch the NFL that much since they went woke. I only watch the wild card games and the playoff games. And I don't know, every year I get more and more people coming over to watch the Super Bowl, because my daughter doesn't have cable. And there's even people showing up that I don't even know, and my daughter doesn't even know. They just come in off the street. I don't know. Anyway, that's going to end this video. I want to thank you guys and gals for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more great videos from David GPO.